as I walked in and sat down, and I looked at the booklet with a little frown. I don't remember this at all. But then I thought back to E205 and all the fun with math that we had inside, and everything slowly came back and things fell into place, and I know it. The derivative rules. I'm ready for this test and I'm not scared of you. Derive tangent, secant squared, and sine as cosine. 'Cause there we are again in calculus class, deriving ln x as 1 over x, doing calc, Mrs. Shak, I remember it all too well. Cosine is negative sine d dx tan. Secant squared is the answer, yes you can. Exponential special is just itself. D dx ex is just e to the x. Derive cotangent for negative cosecant squared, and a derivative of secant is secant times tangent. 'Cause there we are again in calculus class. Du over u is the natural log of u. Doing calc, Mrs. Shak, I remember it all too well. Don't forget the arcs, functions like arc sine u slash a u prime over root a squared minus u squared, denominator squared plus u squared, numerator a u prime.
Arctangent!
Don't forget arcsecant, a u prime on top, absolute value of u, and then a square root u squared minus a squared, and that is moxie method. The other inverse trig derivatives are just their cofunctions, but negative. Cosecant is negative cotangent times cosecant, and that's the last rule. You're gonna finish your exam with time to spare, and you'll get to draw Dr. Shim Jr. on your booklet, 'cause you'll remember derivative rules. 'Cause there we are again in Calc BC with Dr. Shim Jr. watching me. FRQs, MCQs, I can do them all too well. You can be anything, period for B, calc for A, you guys will never get the A's. Calculus, BC, I'll remember this all too well.